Today we will discuss the chapter that is excretion. Excretion ओडिया रहला तक कह जाए रेचन. रेचन. What is excretion? The removal of metabolic waste from body to outside is called excretion. रिमूवल माने निर्गत हवा जो प्रकार शरीर सृष्टि होता चयापचय प्रक्रिया मेटाबॉलिक माने चयापचय मेटाबॉलिज्म वर्ड मेटाबॉलिक चयापचय प्रक्रिया सृष्टि होता वर्ज्य वस्तु बाहर को निष्कासन हुए ताको कह जाए रेचन प्रक्रिया रिमूवल ऑफ मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट और रिमूवल ऑफ नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट फ्रॉम बॉडी टू आउटसाइड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन एंड द ऑर्गन व्हिच हेल्प इन एक्सक्रीशन which helps in excretion is called excretory organ. जो अंग रेचन रे साहाय्य कला ताहाको कहला रेचन अंग. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑल आर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन मु पढ़ाई आगुरी तुमको फाइलम प्रोटोजोआ कतुर आरंभ करिकी क्लास नमालिया पन्ते तांका रेचन अंग कहार कौन आम तापर देखिया प्रथम देवा फाइलम प्रोटोजोआ पोरिफेरा सिलेंडरेटा तीनटा फाइलम रेचन अंग कौन ना दे हैव नो एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन दे हैव नो एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन दे एक्सक्रीट थ्रू बॉडी सरफेस excretory organs. Number 1 कौन ना प्रोटोजोआ पोरिफेरा सिलेंडरेटा they have no excretory organ. They excrete through body surface just like in this case of protozoa amoeba euglena the cell membrane porifera body surface cylindrita. Then come to point platyhelminthes. They excrete through what is the excretory organ? Now flame cells are the excretory organ of platyhelminthes. Example flatworm by Taenia. Then come to the point nemathelminthes. Example Ascaris, the excretory organ is H-type cell बा ताको कह जाए renate cell renate cell. This is nemathelminthes. Protozoa porifera cylindrita platyhelminthes nemathelminthes. Then come to phylum Annelida. Example Arthropods. They excrete through nephridia. Then come to point arthropoda. Insect, crab, prawn. In this case there are different excretory organs are there. अंकर भिन्न अच्छे जमी आम जब कह कॉकरोच शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सब कॉकरोच excretory organ नाम कौन ना Malpighian tubule. Then frond that is green gland but it is also called as antennary gland. These are the excretory organ. Similarly आउरी मध्य आर्थ्रोपोडा फाइलम अच्छी डिफरेंट excretory organ जमिति स्कॉर्पियन कंकड़ा बिछा जो कह जाए स्कॉर्पियन that is coxal gland. So these are the different excretory organ of different groups of organisms in phylum Arthropoda. तापर आसीबो को phylum. Then comes to phylum Mollusca, that is Uniophila. Excretion occurs by नेफ्रिडिया। देन एचिनोडर्माटा, एचिनोडर्माटा सब शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आ गया। कमार क्या क्वेश्चन? स्टारफिश excretion occurs by podia, podia. Then comes to non-chordate, last non-chordate, that is subphylum, phylum hemichordate, hemichordate. Example Balanoglossus. Excretion occurs through glomerular proboscis, proboscis. है पे एड़ा सब है सर्ट क्वेश्चन फाइलम वाइज पचार कौ फाइलम कार एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन बा कौ ऑर्गेनिज्म। दीज आर ऑल नॉन कोडेट्स, एमाने सब है नॉन कोडेट्स। नॉन कोडेट्स मीन्स एब्सेंस ऑफ नोटोकॉर्ड। सो टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग द चैप्टर दैट इज एक्सक्रीशन एंड एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट। देन कम टू कोडेट, कोडेट फाइलम कोडेट, कोडेट मीन्स प्रेजेंस ऑफ नोटोकॉर्ड। फर्स्ट एठी आसीबो सब फाइलम, subphylum Urochordate. This is hemichordate, this is Urochordate. Urochordate रे example हला हमने जानी छो that is Harmonia. The excretion occurs through neural gland, neural gland. This is excretion. Then subphylum comes to subphylum cephalochordates, cephalochordates, that is Amphioxus. Excretion occurs by protonephridia, protonephridia with solenocyte cells, with solenocytes, solenocyte cells. So these are the excretory organ and different groups of organism. तापर आसीबो जेते रबु छुआ सब रहिला थार सबफाइलम वर्टिब्रेट। मु तम पढैतिला आई हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न सबफाइलम वर्टिब्रेट अंडर क्लास साइक्लोस्टोमाटा, क्लास फिशेस, सुपर क्लास फिशेस, एम्फीबिया, रेप्टाइल, एवोस, मामल हला साइक्लोस्टोमाटा हला। तापर आसीबो हमर फिशेस, amphibia, frog, toad, both living in land and water. Then reptile, and then last avos, and then mammals. In this case, excretion occurs through kidney. Kidney may be mesonephric in case of fishes, amphibia. And in highly developed kidney, there is metanephric kidney is present in a human being. So these are all these short questions which are coming in from different phylum. So prathama hala phylum Protozoa, then Porifera, then Coelenterata. There is excretion occurs through body surface. Then come to Platyhelminthes, phlegm cell, Nemathelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata. These are non-chordate and excretory organ in different groups of organisms. Then come to subchordate, subphylum Urochordate, subphylum vertebrate, subphylum fishes, amphibia. तार क्लास क्लास फिशेस, एम्फीबिया सब है रेचन ना है किडनी बा ब्रुकन। ये है सब शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट व्हाट इज एक्सक्रीशन, ना द रिमूवल ऑफ मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट or nitrogenous waste from the body to outside in the form of aqueous solution. Why the metabolic waste is removed? Now these are toxic substances. What are the metabolic waste? That means ammonia, carbon dioxide, urea. These are metabolic waste. सेगुड़िक शरीर रहिले शरीर विभिन्न प्रकार प्रॉब्लम बा सृष्टि करेंगे कहीं से टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस दैट शुड बी रिमूव्ड आउटसाइड फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम। तेणुक जो प्रक्रिया से बाहर को निष्कासित होता है ताकू रेचन प्रक्रिया कहगला। तापर छुआ आम नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द चैप्टर और पॉइंट दैट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट माने हला रेचित पदार्थ The animals are classified into mainly three groups. One is ammonotelism, second है ureotelism, and third one is uricotelism. Guta we will discuss one by one. First come to the point, ammoniotelism. The animal whose major excretory product is ammonia, that is major excretory product is ammonia. जहार मुख्य रेचित पदार्थ है एमोनिया, ताको कहला एमोनोटेलिज्म. एग्जांपल है जिते सब एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, मैक्सिमम एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स लाइक प्रोटोजोआन्स, their excretory product is ammonia. Similarly, what is tadpole larva, Bengophila jo, that is also comes under ammonia. The major excretory product is ammonia. Then come to ureotelism. Urea means major excretory product is urea. Urea formula chua kono NH2CONH2. That is the excretory product of urea. That is the excretory product. Example mainly terrestrial mammals, human being, out tailless amphibians means frog, toad, they have excretory product is urea. This is more toxic, this is less toxic, and this is uricotelism. Third point, whose major excretory product is uric acid. Uric acid is formed by metabolism of the nitrogenous base, that means purine bases. This is least toxic, सबुठारु कम toxic, that is uric acid. In this case, it is seen in the terrestrial animals or desert animals to conserve water. Desert, DESERT, desert animals and birds, their major excretory product is uric acid, solid urine, just like lizard also. They have uric acid as the excretory product. So this is short question. Difference between ammonotelism, ureotelism, uricotelism. The animals having major means mukhya excretory product is ammonia, that is ammonotelism, urea, that is ureotelism, uric acid, uricotelism. Then example, ammonotelism example है aquatic animals, protozoans, tadpole larva. Ureotelism है human being, birds, toads. Uricotelism है desert animals, birds, lizards. So these are short question. 1 mark question, 2 mark question. Coming to this point, what is excretion and the excretory organ in different groups of organisms, and then depending upon the excretory product, the animals are classified into 3 major groups. One is ammonotelism, then is ureotelism, uricotelism. Next come to one long question we will discuss today. One long question, that is human excretory system. Earlier we have already discussed the different parts or different system, that is respiratory system, digestive system, from invertebrate to vertebrate. But in case of human being, it is in the long question. First long question in this chapter, that is what is, but describe the detail, describe the human excretory system. Describe about, give a detail account. By a question as what is excretion? What is excretion? Excretion kono? Give a detail account. Give a detail account of human excretory system. This is long question. Human excretory system and its function and its functions. We have already discussed what is excretion, the removal of metabolic waste from body to outside in the form of aqueous solution, that is called excretion. And give an account of human excretory system. Give a detailed account of human excretory system. We will discuss to this point. What is the human excretory system? Human excretory system consists of the following parts. What are the parts? A pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, a single urinary bladder by a urinary bladder, मूत्राशय and urethra. Last single urethra. So these are the parts. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This is the part of human excretory system. A pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. So you have to draw the diagram. The diagram must be scientific, not artistic. You should prepare the diagram. You have learned about which is the right side and left side. As we are vertebrates, any diagram, this is my left side, but in diagram you have to mention this is a right kidney. Right kidney. This is what? Now left kidney. This is ureter. This is urinary bladder. This is urethra. So this is the pair of kidney. This is Udiyata called the Brucock. A pair of ureter. Udiyata called the Mutra Saroni. A single urinary bladder, which is made of transitional epithelium. You have already learned. Mutrashaya, where urine is stored, and the path through which urine passes outside, that is called urethra. This is Mutra Nali or Mutra Patha. A pair of kidney is present on both sides of the lower abdomen. Toli petare ubhoy parshore duiti brucock achi. It looks like bean shape, Simba Monji bhali. Ki shape? Bean shape. And dark red in color. What is the morphology about? Morphology means external feature of the human kidney. It is what is the shape of the human kidney? Now it is bean shape, Simba Monji bhali. Second, dark red color. This is then where it is present on both sides of the lower abdomen. The right kidney is posteriorly present as compared to left kidney. Dahana kidney ta toluku achi, bama kidney ta tike uparaku achi. Why? Now due to presence of liver in the right side. This is diagram. This is my right side. This is right side. This is left side. But diagram, this is we have to write right side. आमर डायग्राम रे हाथ जोड़ा रहिबो लेफ्ट साइड तो डायग्राम रे उल्टा लिखिबो क्यों आमे हले वर्टिब्रेट्स तापरे लेखाला लेंथ केते व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द ह्यूमन किडनी ना 10 to 13 सेंटीमीटर विड्थ उसार केते छुआ 6 सेंटीमीटर thickness about 3 approximately 3 centimeter. It may be 8 centimeter, right? It may be 4 centimeter, you can write. And weight kete? Weight is about 150 gram in male and 145 gram in female. This is about morphology of human kidney. What is the human kidney? Now it is the main excretory organ of human being. मनुष्यर मुख्य रेचनांग ना हला ब्रुकक. What is the number? Now a pair of kidney is present on either side of the lower abdomen. And which kidney is posterior? Which kidney is anterior? Now right kidney is posteriorly present. Posterior माने तळुक अछि. And left kidney is anteriorly present. Why? Now due to presence of liver in the right side. From both the kidney, the ureters are developed. Where it is developed? Now the part, depressed region of the human kidney, that is called hilus. H-I-L-U-S. Hilum, you can write. From which the ureter are arise. Ureter. From this is one ureter, another ureters are combined, joined together at the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder open outside by means of urethra. Single urinary bladder is present in human being. मनुष्य गोटे urinary bladder अच्छे. जोटा कि made of which epithelium? I have already told you. Transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium. T-H-E-L-I-U-M. This is type of epithelial tissue compound. Simple epithelium compound. Transitional epithelium is a type of compound epithelium. It contains multi-layer of cell but no basement membrane. खाली high pressure देले तारा cell size बढ़ी था. सही टाला. सेट पर urinary bladder केवे फाटी बने. खाली जितने urine store हबो से अनुसार वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाए. Urinary bladder, ureter, urethra, uterus ये सब transitional epithelium होते हैं. जो ओपनिंग बाहर गई तानाला यूरेथ्रा. So this is about human excretory system. Then come to detail about the anatomy of human kidney. Anatomy means the internal structure of human kidney. This is, that means we have studied the LS. LS means the longitudinal section of human kidney. And this is LS. This is LS. Just you see, this is diagram you have to draw. This is one artery which joins to kidney renal artery. This is one vein which drains blood. That is a renal vein. Then this is a renal artery. This is a renal vein. Renal vein. What is this? There it is ureter. What is this? The outer region of the kidney is called cortex. That is outer granular part of the kidney. That is cortex. The inner part is called medulla. Medulla. Medulla contains triangular shape of structure. That is called pyramid by renal pyramid. Renal pyramid. How many pyramids are present in a kidney? Normally 10 to 15.